The HiCAD solution for rear-ventilated facades. Integrated 3D solution for substructures. With the HiCAD 3D BIM solution, the substructure for facades is planned reliably and quickly on the basis of existing 2D and 3D data. First, the installation grid of the substructure is generated directly from the existing building and facade geometries. Using the latest sketching technology and parametrics, the substructure installation grid automatically adapts to changes in the building and facade, resulting in shorter planning times and increased planning quality. The substructure profiles are then automatically generated in the 3D model using the substructures function of HiCAD. Processings and additional fastening parts are automatically generated, with the unique HiCAD function for connecting the facade elements and the substructure. Adjustments to attics or windows are made automatically and are the basis for complete and error-free production documents directly from the 3D portal. After the automatic itemization and identical part search, HiCAD then generates bills of materials, itemized views, detail drawings, and manufacturing drawings quickly and correctly, directly from the BIM model. Wall brackets can be automatically added, and dimensions and labels can be easily generated in 2D and 3D views, and are always up to date, even after changes. And also, for suspended, riveted alucobond or equitone thermal systems, extensive automatisms are available for the reliable generation of 3D substructures and production documents.